Fetih Tekstil, an accredited source for major labels and a future-leading manufacturer. Established in Istanbul in 1996 as a jersey wear producer and a member of Taha Group, Fetih Tekstil has become a solution partner for many top brands. The Design and R&D Centre works in line with Fetih's vision from their design offices in Istanbul and London, combining data with design whilst maintaining an economic perspective. Sustainability is one of their main concerns, with the use of natural fibres, recycled fabrics and natural dyestuffs. Fetih's Corporate Academy uses various training channels to help make the learning process continuous in the business environment. As a vertically integrated organisation, attention is focused on quality and detail, as well as to using the best technology available throughout all the manufacturing processes. Fetih Tekstil's success is a business strategy that combines innovation and quality with the sustainable development of large-scale production. The company is structured to maintain flexibility, speed and productivity with their ever-expanding various lean manufacture setups in Istanbul and Malatya, providing a timely and quality product service. Tracking carbon footprint, energy-saving technologies, the use of solar energy, rainwater harvesting, and the reduction of environmental damage caused by production processes are among some of the major environmental objectives. Fetih Tekstil continuously upgrades their processes and employees by applying lean thinking business methodologies. Stringent tests are performed against international standards to maintain conformity in all processes of production. Particular importance is given to ensure a diverse workforce who feel the security of being part of one large family. My mum's job is my future holds great meaning for women with children working within Fetih Tekstil, with its daycare centres and university scholarships provided for the children of the employees. Our power is our people. In an effort to leave a better world for generations to come, a sapling is planted every year for each and every employee, resulting in an ever-growing forest. On their journey to becoming a leader in their field, Fetih Tekstil understands the need for better product performance and value. With this, the driving philosophy behind their commitment is to deliver responsible innovations without compromise.